I believe that in the history of the world there has not been a more genuinely democratic struggle for freedom than ours. With these lines of Mahatma Gandhi, we are reminded of the immense sacrifices made by our freedom fighters to carve out this independent nation. Good morning everyone, I am Katna Sharma from class 8B and today I am going to take you to an era when our nation was a resplendent jewel, adorned with the riches of culture, heritage and prosperity. So, before the ominous shadow of colonialism crept in, India was a land of abundance, a cradle of civilization, where art, science, and philosophy flourished. Then came the British East India Company, cloaked in the guise of merchants but harboring imperial ambitions. What began as a trading enterprise soon transformed into a ruthless quest for domination. They exploited our divisions, waging serious wars, and through a mix of cunning and caution, established a strange hold over our nation. The Battle of Plassey in 1757 marked a turning point, heralding an era of exploitation and subjugation. Our people, however, were not destined to be perpetual slaves. A spirit of resistance ignited. Fueled by the ignominy of colonial rule, 1757 uprising, though unsuccessful, was a clarion call. It marked the beginning of a protracted struggle for freedom. The stage was then set for the emergence of visionary leaders who would shape the destiny of our nation. Mahatma Gandhi, with his philosophy of non-violence, inspired millions to rise against the oppressive regime. His Salt March, also known as Dandi March, became a symbol of defiance, uniting the nation in a common cause. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, played a pivotal role in integrating the princely states into the Union. Jawaharlal Nehru, with his vision of a modern India, laid the foundation for our nation's progress. The path to freedom was fraught with sacrifices. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre, a chilling testament to British brutality, awakened the nation. The Quit India movement, a clarion call for immediate independence, further intensified the struggle. Countless freedom fighters, both known and unknown, sacrificed their lives for the sake of our country. On the fateful day of August 15, 1947, the shackles of slavery finally broke. Our nation was reborn, a phoenix rising from the ashes of colonial oppression. But the path to freedom was not without its challenges. Partition cast a long shadow, but the resilience of our people prevailed. We owe an eternal debt of gratitude to our freedom fighters. Their sacrifices have bequeathed us a legacy of freedom, democracy, and sovereignty. To honor their memory, we must strive to build a nation that embodies their dreams. Let us contribute to the growth and development of our nation with dedication and integrity. Jai Hind.